Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. And pretty much what it is a smart body fat scale that you can use to track all your health related stuff, like your BMI, your weight, your age, basically anything involving your health. You guys can track that all on here, which is pretty amazing. So before I show you guys the app and everything and how to use it and whatnot, let's actually open up and show you guys what comes at the package first. So when we open the package, this is what you guys get inside. So first thing you guys kind of see in there is the actual scale right here. They have an instruction guide on thank you card right here for purchasing the product. So let's take that out first. So basically how it works is that all you have to do is put on the battery in the back, which is right here. So open this little compartment right here and then put in the batteries, which is AAA. So you guys will need 3 AAA batteries on here. And when you guys are done putting it in, just close it back in place and then you guys will start using it. And all you have to do is just step on the product itself and actually turns on. So let me actually show you guys that first. And then we'll show you guys the app. Alright, so here we have the scale. You guys can see it's really well designed, like it's very modern design. But let's just test it out to see how it works and when it's actually working on. And I want to mention one thing about the scale is if you guys look at the design and everything, you guys can see a reflection on here, which is pretty awesome. You guys want to admire yourself. Alright, so let's get on right now and show you guys what it looks like and when it actually works or not. So all you have to do is step on. You guys see the numbers start calculating. So the scale itself is pretty accurate. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see it actually does work. Really easy to use. Like all I had to do is just step on. Like the result was instant. It showed it within like 2 or 3 seconds if I saw in the video. So when you guys finish downloading the app, that's basically what it looks like right here. So I actually will ask you about like what kind of like measurement you guys want to use. So we use pound. And then how you guys want to measure your height. So inches or centimeters, we'll do inches. And they'll ask you to create an account. So we could create an account first. And then when you guys are done with the account creation, you guys can go on here. It'll show you guys what are you guys, male, your name, your birthday. So you want to fill all that out. And the next step will ask you like if you guys using any kind of like Fitbit device or not. If not, just skip it. And they'll ask you guys if you guys want to pair onto a health app. If you guys use like an iPhone or something. If you guys use Samsung, it probably would be different. And they'll ask you guys which kind of device you guys want to pair. So we'll actually pair up right now. So if you guys click on the device, it'll actually ask you to step on it to activate it. So I have the scale right here. So I'm going to step on it. You guys will be able to see that it pairs up. Alright, so let's step on it. Alright, so you can see it detected my device and it asks you to tap on the device, so we'll tap on that device and then it found me right there, you guys can see. So if you guys look at the bottom right here on the app, it shows everything on there, like basically all the data that you guys want to know about yourself, like your health and everything is all on here. So honestly, it's pretty cool how they have all those functionalities and like metrics on the actual device. There's actually 13 metrics if you guys saw on the app itself. So if you guys wanted to, you guys don't even need to go to a doctor anymore. You guys can have all that on there to kind of like monitor your health and everything. Like just the whole interface itself is so easy to use and it's so easy to access and it's like a really friendly user interface to use, especially for someone who's not like tech savvy and whatnot. Like you guys can track it weekly, monthly, or yearly on your performance of your health and everything on here. And probably one of the coolest thing about this company is like it's a whole health company, so it like provides everything that you guys need, ranging from like a scale for yourself, a scale for the food. They also have like food containers if you guys want to buy the food containers, so you guys can kind of measure how much food to eat every day. But if you guys don't want to have the option, you guys can always use like the Ziploc containers or those like plastic containers to kind of like measure your own if you guys don't want to spend the extra money on there. They also have like fitness equipment and everything. Basically anything that's like health related, this company will provide for you to kind of help you meet your goals of your health goals and whatnot. Oh, another thing I want to mention about this smart scale or any kind of smart scales in general, it doesn't only track one user, it tracks multiple users. So you guys want to use like 15 users or 10 users and track each person's like health goal or like how much they weigh and everything about the health related stuff. They can also track it on the app with you guys, not just yourself. So that's definitely a winner because you guys are not just worrying about your own health, but you guys are helping your friends, your family worry about their health and as well and monitoring their health and everything. So as I was putting the scale away, I didn't realize that they actually do provide you a AAA battery. Is on this side, if I can see right here. So when I turn the scale on this side, they actually provide 3 of the AAA battery right here and it's hiding in the bottom, so that's why people can't see it. So that's definitely one thing to kind of know that they actually do provide you a AAA battery. But I still recommend you guys getting your own battery to use, like the rechargeable one. So when it runs out of battery, you guys don't have to buy a new one. You can just use your own one that's rechargeable. But now that we did the unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular right now costs around like $50, and I believe they still have the coupon for 45% off. So you guys can think about it, you guys are probably gonna get it for around like 20 something dollars for a smart scale. That's pretty amazing. Like a lot of smart scales nowadays cost anywhere from like $30 and above, and this one is like half off the price, which is around like $50. So it's definitely a steal if you guys want one or need one. But for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have